New photos of Rhaenyra's gown have popped on Twitter. Holy cow! I'm doing a little walk home from lunch, but it looks like Rhaenyra's gown, we finally have a full image from top to bottom. Something I needed, and I wasn't going to step any further into buying more fabric or anything. But we finally got them. Thank you, Twitter. And I think it was out of context House of Dragons account. And also thank you to Haley, my beautiful, beautiful friend who is also getting her Alicent together. So go over to her channel and find it. It's Hobbit Party. She's fantastic. But like, y'all, we have it. But first we have to pet my cat. Because he needs the pets. Salem. Salem. Okay, here's image number 1. As dark as this picture is, we can finally get a good look at the silhouette. So it has been confirmed that there's like a little, I'm guessing this is some dragons detail embroidery in the front, and it does break open to a darker fabric underneath, or I think it's like darker red. Also, this is kind of like a 3/4 sleeve. I wouldn't call it 3/4, maybe like 5/8 sleeve, but rolled up, more embroidery on the sleeves. I love it so much. And we're getting some more images of the whole embroidery beading work up here as well. Next one we're going to go into is this full image of Team Black that I cropped in because all just about Rhaenyra right now. So we finally get a full silhouette. So I pictured this dress to be way more slender, way more hugging the body. It is full A-line now. So that adds about 2 to 3 more fabric yardage on my end as far as purchasing fabric goes. So it's beautiful. I love that. I need some more up close, nicer photos, and they'll probably drop in the episode this Sunday. Honestly, I'm not doing any buying until after that thing is over. I do have the hair though for my wig, so I can start working on that too. But I believe that is a darker red beneath the split in the middle. I don't know if this is like a coat. I think it is just a regular dress with a split in the middle. It is princess seams. There is a seam straight up the middle as well. As probably the back is just a regular center back. And I'm loving it. Oh my God. I'm very happy about this. Also, I have people in Twitter space have told me that there might be some embroidery on the bottom edge of the hem. We'll get some closer looks on Sunday. Waiting for that. But for right now, it looks like there's just a horsehair braid interfacing on the edge of the hem to like give it a little billowy look, which I'm like down for because I put those in like all my outfits. But yeah, what do you think? We finally have a full image of the freaking dress. It took long enough. Sunday can't come quicker.